This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade softwares, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. So when we look at the economical events calendar for today is Tuesday, 26th July. At 7:30 p.m. we have high impact news for US dollar related currency pairs, followed by which we have medium impacting news for the US dollar related currency pairs. Otherwise we have only low impacting news planned for today. So requesting you to plan your trades based on this economical events calendar. Let us begin our gold analysis. I am in daily time frame now, and I have already marked the resistance levels and the support levels over here, and based on this support and resistance levels we can notice that price has taken support on the support level between 1680 to 1665, and we had noticed the price action to bounce back from this support level, but it couldn't break the resistance level of 1750. So this resistance area is acting as a very strong resistance for the current price action. Since the price action couldn't break these resistance levels, still the current trend of the price action is still in a very strong bearish trend. When we look at this area in the past price action also, we are going to the left hand side of this price action. This level had acted as a very strong resistance and support level, and we had noticed a price action to consolidate between this resistance and support levels before giving a directional breakout. Here also we have noticed a price action to bounce back from this support level, again bounce back from this resistance level, again took support on the previous support level, then only we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bullish side trend reversal. So several times we have noticed a price action to take support on this support level, then to bounce back on the bullish side trend reversal. So currently also we are noticing the price action to take support on this support level between 1680 to 1665. So as long as this support zone is holding, we can expect the price action to bounce back from this support zone. And also on the resistance side, we had noticed a price action to bounce back from this resistance zone several times in the past. So this level is going to be acting as a very strong support and also a very strong resistance. So currently we have to wait for the price action to give a directional breakout from this resistance zone on the bullish side or on the bearish side in order to do a directional trade. Otherwise we can expect the price action to consolidate within this resistance and support levels on the sideways price action. And when we draw a diagonal resistance levels and find out the current trend of the price action, so I have extended the support line over here. We can clearly notice that the price action has taken support on this support level and has bounced back from this support line. And even if the bullish trend continues, we can expect it to bounce back from this resistance line. In the past, this trend line had acted as a resistance line and the support line. And if the price action breaks this resistance zone also, next level of resistance is going to be the diagonal resistance line from the past price action. So looking at this resistance levels and the support levels and also this diagonal resistance and the support line, the price action is still in a bearish trend. The trend reversal on the bullish side has not started in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame. For 4 hours time frame, I am drawing a resistance line from where the price action started its downtrend. So looking at this price action, current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame is still in a downtrend. We have noticed a price action trying to break this resistance line several times and it has failed to break this resistance level. Currently we are noticing the price action to trend on the bearish side. Still on the bearish side we have the very strong support line from the bearish channel pattern of the daily time frame and also the diagonal support line from the daily time frame running over here. It has to break this support line and the support level in order to continue its bearish trend. So the current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame is also in a bearish trend. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, currently we can clearly notice that the price action has formed a double top pattern and it is on a retracement in hourly time frame. It has also broken the neck level of the double top pattern and it has retested this neck level of the double top pattern. It is a confirmation that it is in a downtrend in hourly time frame. And if the downtrend continues also, we can expect it to take support on the trend line or the support line from the past price action. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. So the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame is in a bearish trend, and even if the price action bounces back on the bullish side also, we can expect it to bounce back from the resistance line from the 4 hours time frame running over here and wait for it to break this previous low of 1713 in order to confidently go on a bearish side trade. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, I am drawing a support line. So currently we are noticing the price to take support on the previous support line and consolidating over this support level. Wait for the price action to give a clear breakout from this support line on the bearish side in order to take trades on the bearish side trend. And even if the price action bounces back on the bullish side also, we have the 4 hours time frame resistance line over here. So wait for the price action to bounce back from this resistance line in order to take trades on the bearish side trend. Because from the higher time frame we know that current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently we are noticing the price action to take support on this support line of the 30 minutes time frame. Wait for it to break this trend line or the support line on the bearish side in order to take trades along with the higher time frame trends. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame. Again for the 5 minutes time frame also I am drawing a support line over here and also a resistance line. So based on this support line and the resistance line, it is very clear that the current price action is consolidating within this support and resistance line and it is trading within a symmetric triangle pattern, which means that there is no direction in the price action. Wait for the price action to give a directional breakout to take a directional trade in 5 minutes time frame. Previously it had also formed a double bottom pattern and it has completed its 100% retracement of the double bottom pattern. That's why we are noticing the current price action to trade on the sideways momentum. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.